Hi guys. Okay, today I'm just going to answer a real quick question for you. I recently, last Friday, posted that thing about a kit gun, and I was talking about the 22 long rifle and 22 Magnum cylinder change out. And someone asked, well, can I just shoot the 22 long rifle cartridge in the 22 Magnum chamber? They're the same, right? Nah, actually they're not, and there's a very simple reason. Let me draw it out for you and we'll show you. Okay, first off, the cartridge case for the 22 long rifle is a shanked bullet. And what that means in English is on the bottom of the actual bullet there's a little shank that goes down into the case. On the 22 Magnum case, you have up here at the top, but what you have is the bullet actually goes inside the case. So the 22 Magnum case is actually a little bigger than the 22 long rifle is across. Otherwise we just have one cylinder. Now, at one time, here's a little bit of history for you. Way back in the early 1900s, there was a cartridge called the WMR, Winchester Magnum Round. It didn't sell well. And World War II got rid of it. You know, it just didn't sell well. After World War II, it was resurrected. But the round that was resurrected and recreated, or invented, was the 22 Magnum. The WMR did have a shank, and the bullet sat into it. And so therefore, if you had a WMR, you could shoot 22 long rifle in it. However, the modern 22 Magnum, the bullet goes inside of the case like any other cartridge you can think of, 38, 357, 45. The bullet actually fits inside the cartridge case. And so that's the reason you can't. Now, if you do go and shoot the 22 long rifle in the 22 Magnum, what is going to happen is, the case being slightly bigger, there's a little more extra space around it. The 22 long rifle is going to swell and bust. Now what this means in English is the case may split. Okay, this may be gas coming out in all kinds of ways, and etc. It'd be much like you were holding it out here and, you know, holding it in a pair of vice grips and hitting it with a BB gun or something, making it go bang. Then therefore it would pow. Well, the gas might go. The danger that we have is not so much danger to us from the ruptured case, although that could be bad. You could get a particle or something come out of some weird angle and get to you. But the danger is that it'll go bang, and the cartridge case would have a weakness and would split down the case, and the bullet wouldn't get that much pressure. Instead of it blowing it down the barrel, it'd kind of blow around it. And you might end up with a bullet stuck in the barrel. It went bang, and you just didn't realize it didn't go down, it didn't leave the gun. And you caught and go to fire again. And then you got a problem. So, it is not safe. Remember what Blackie's saying now. It is not safe to shoot 22 long rifle and a 22 Magnum. You're going to hear people tell you all the time, oh, I shoot them all the time. Sooner or later. Because what it's doing is the 22 long rifle cases are not designed for it, and they're going to swell and bust. You may have to pry them out. They may split. They may form a ring of fouling inside the chamber. Then you can't chamber 22 Magnum unless you scrub it out. Or more than likely, it's going to end up leaving a bullet stuck in a barrel, and then you're going to pull the trigger on the next one, not knowing you're going to have a bulged barrel and a damaged gun. So it is not a safe practice. Okay? Just wanted to clear this up for you guys. Once again, the 22 long rifle, the bullet has a shank, much like our conicals out of the percussion era, to sit on top of the brass. And the 22 Magnum sits inside the brass. That's the difference. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button before you go. And until next time, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.